So in this video I'll show you the fastest drywall patch ever, from cutting out the new piece, installing it, putting in a back block, and then installing it with plaster and meshing it up first coated. But first, let's rewind to the start. Hi guys, Brad McKinnon, welcome back to the channel. As I said in the intro there, we're going to show you the fastest drywall patch ever. And there's going to be no editing in this one. This is just going to play straight through at normal speed and we'll be done in 3 minutes. So first of all, you can see here this is an old electrical socket. It's not needed anymore, and what I'm doing is I'm just cutting the edges at a 45-degree angle just so we can install a new piece with edges cut the opposite way, so that means it's not going to fall into the wall when we install it. So then we're just going to cut our new piece of drywall to the size of the opening, and then we're going to trim the edges there to a 45-degree right round. Now, it doesn't have to be an electrical socket. This can be just a hole in the wall, but you'll have to make it sort of square first, like an electrical socket, to do this. So check it fits. We want it fitting just below the face of the surface. What I like to do there is just mark the top so I know which way it goes in. And we want to also just quickly install a little back block just to give it a bit of extra strength when the plaster all dries and sets. So just cutting that back block a little bit longer than the hole so I can slip in the back there, and we're going to just use a multi-purpose compound here, and we'll just stick that on and we can slide that back block in. Now you just want to make sure you get all that insulation out of the way first, just so that sticks to the back of the drywall there. And then we're just going to fill that up with mud right around the edge of the new piece. Make sure it goes all onto the back, because that's where it's going to stick best on the paper. And then we'll do the same here, push it in so it all sort of falls into the back. Check your pieces up the right way with your little mark, and then just tap that in. Now I'm using a multi-purpose compound because this is sort of for a beginner level. It's already mixed up. The multi-purpose has got a good amount of glue in it, so once it's dry it's going to stick really well, especially with that back block. And then straight away we're just going to coat over it and install a bit of fiberglass mesh, and just to tie it all together. And we're going to coat that all up, and that's the patch done and first coated. Now if you want to see how to finish that, check out this video here on your screen, and I'll just walk you through the final steps for second coating and third coating and sanding it all ready for painting. There you go, the quickest drywall patch ever. Thanks for watching.